Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we are going to do our Halloween Mania and our box challenges. So let's go ahead and get started. We are coming in with $10 into our Halloween Mania. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are almost done with Halloween Mania. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I think we have one more tiny left to finish to get all of our tinies done, and we are going to start on challenge number 3 today, and we have $10 in prop coins, and we're going to roll our 3-sided die. Happy Friday, so exciting. I love Fridays because I don't have to work. Hopefully we can get that last tiny done. Or is it? Yeah, I can get that last tiny done. If not, I might cheat just to get it done. Cause I can do that. I can make the rules. And then I will decide what I want to do with this binder and how I want to move forward with it after this. I'm not quite sure. Because I have my tinies, so my normal tinies that I do once a week. So we'll see. We'll see what we can get situated in this one and see where we're at. All right, so challenge number 1. It got $1. So this one is from Saturn's Vault. And so each one of these is 50 cents. So awesome. I know we're not going to finish any of these minis today. I'm just really wanting to get this one finished. We need $2.50. I don't have it here. I have $1.25 though. All right, so I just need $1.50. I'm going to leave this out because I kind of want to finish it because this is the last day. All right, so we need, that's $1.50, and this one will be 75 cents. And each one of these is a quarter. This is from Budgeting with a Ginger. So yeah, I cheated, but that's okay. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to come back into this binder before we pull the challenges to put into our Tiny Tuesday binder. So all right, and this saved us $4. And challenge number 4 is from Toria's Budgets, and it got $1.25. So each one is a quarter. So we can 1 and 5. Awesome. And challenge number 5, it got $1. Oh goodness, $1. $2.25. I have that space as $1, so we're gonna cross that one off, get that one out of the way, and then each one of these is 25 cents. So we can do 5 spaces. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, looks like we're just finishing up that tiny, but that is okay. So I am very happy, very excited to see what that is going to save us. And our next challenge is from Kip and Lou, and we got $1, $2.25. So we can do 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Well, that one is about halfway done. And that is it, you guys, for Halloween Mania. We are done with Halloween Mania. At least doing our Halloween Mania every day. I'm not done with the challenges, of course, but we are done. Yeah, so let's pay this one out for $4. Not sure, like I said, I'm gonna figure out what I want to do with these challenges. They will probably get moved into my timies, but that is still up in the air for right now. Awesome. All right, and next up, we're going to do our box challenges. Where did it go? There it is. And I have 2 box challenges because we did finish our cozy collab challenge. And oh my God, you guys, that was huge. That was huge, 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 huge. I am amazed at how much that saved me. I busted my butt to get that one done, but I have $30 here. I have $30 in prop. So we do have an IOU, so I'm going to take out that $3 and put that off to the side. We just have some 2s and 1s in prop, so that way we can not have to have so many. I already have a whole bunch of 1s in my circulation, but we're gonna try not to have a lot of that, you know, more than what we already have. So I'm gonna start using a lot more prop singles, at least where I can. All right, so let's get started. 3 times your next card. Oh Lord, Nicole. Okay. I don't remember if I paid that too. I don't think I did. So we're gonna go 2, 4, 6. 4 and 6. Wait, no, that's not right. Because I didn't do a 5. I'm not doing 3 times 5. That's not happening. That's too much. But I'll do the 5. Okay, that's, yeah. Not happening. Which one is that? Okay. You can be mad at me all you want, but I only got $30. Okay. All right, so our next little girl here, we got 1, so we're at 4. Okay. Go ahead and take that out of the stack. Hopefully, no. 3 times your next card. Okay, I will do this one because I can do the 1, and that's 3. 1, 2, and 3. That is going out, but I don't know why I keep getting the same section. I thought I shuffled them. All right, shut the box. All right, here we are, and let's see what we get. I need my 6-sided dice. Hopefully you can see that. All right, we got a 2. And a 5. 4. And a 6. Oh man, I need a 3 or a 1 or a 4. And a 2. All right, so we got $3 and $4 coming in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am trying not to count the money, so we can be surprised when we finish it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's just go ahead and do the 3 for right now. That way we can get a little bit more in this challenge done, because I am I'm a creature of having to do everything. All right, we got a 3 on this one. And with only bringing $20 to $30 in each time, it's It's a little difficult, but it's okay. All right, let's get our D4. 2 D4s. All right, we got a 2 and a 4. Let me take this out before I mark on my envelope again. So we got a 4 and a 2, and that is a 6. Holy crap! I don't even know if I have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We surely do not. We only have a $6. So we are going to have an IOU for $1. That is unfortunate. All right, we have $1 IOU. Boo! Okay. That just went by way too fast. I don't like it. I would like more money to play into my box challenge. Don't worry, I have another box challenge. That is why I like to have a smaller one, and then a bigger one. I'm not sure which would be which yet, but lots of all right. And I will come back in and condense this later. We'll put our cards back. I think I got everything put away. No, I did not. All right, so our next box challenge is going to be the Hallothanksmas Box from Charlemagne Budgets. And today we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $60. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I got the cards out here. Oh goodness. And we're just gonna go ahead and give these a shuffle. Hopefully I have shuffled them well enough earlier that all of these sections are not together. All right, so let's go ahead and get this one started. We have a color and save. Which one is that? Oh, that's one here. Okay, so I assume that's this one. So, oh goodness. I think so, because I think that's, oops. I think that's the only color and save. Yeah, okay. We'll just start off with $1. All right, and that's gonna have to go back in the pile. And we have a search and save for a witch hat. Here we go. And that one is also $1. Awesome. And another. Let's take that back and for a 5. Awesome. So how is everybody, how is everybody's week? Tell me. Are we excited about Halloween? Are we going trick-or-treating? What are we doing? I know I'm going to take my girls trick-or-treating. Roll and save that amount with your next card. Okay. We have a 6. Of course we do. Of course we have a 6. Search and save. And watch this one. Wait a minute. Is that the... Okay, no. Those are similar, but not quite the same. Let's see. Where is the cut? But of course it would be it. Yeah, of course. Why would it not be? So that's 12. No. I wasn't sure if we were going to use those 10s, but I guess we are. I don't know about you. 2 times your next card. Oh my goodness. 3, so 6. Holy cannolis. Alright. I don't know. I don't know about you. Add 3 to your next card. Good lord. Okay. Oh my god. That's an 8. That's $11. Holy crap, holy. Okay, you're going bye-bye. I got enough of these bonuses. says the one that puts bonuses on all of her box challenges. Color and save. Okay, at least that's only $1. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to try really hard to not have to fill up this board because the completionist in me will want to fill that up. So that is going to be a struggle. Let's see, the Little Witch, $6. Oh my gosh. Well, we are out of 5s and 10s already, you guys. I mean, we still got a lot of 1s, but I'm not sure how far that's going to get us. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay. And that's $2. I swear I shuffled these. I swear I did. I'm just going to... But like, I want to keep them because they'll save me more money. But, $3. Okay. I don't know why they're also like the same. I did like this and okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Another bat. $2. Well, I'm done. Let me pick out this one. A turkey. Search and save. At least we can get it. Oh my gosh. $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we only have $3 left. Should we chance it? Should we chance it? That is the question. Let's see. This one's calling me. Yeah, I think that was a bad idea. Because yeah, it's $6. So we have a $3. I owe you. Of course we do. Why would we not? Gah. Okay. I don't feel like we got much of a dent in those, but okay. All right, so now the question is, oh wait, I need to put this in with that one so I know which section it goes in, even though I like to randomize everything. So let's see. In section number 1, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that is awesome. I really like box challenges because you can do a little bit at a time. They do take a while, but they save you a lot of money. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 going in with a $3. I owe you. And so we'll pay that one up next time. And this one is $8. And our next section did not get anything. This section we got $11. This is one of our Christmas sections. And our next Christmas section got 5. Oh, 10. All right, so 15, 16, 17, and 18. Awesome. And our roll and save did not get anything. And our color and save got $2. I should have just used that also as a catch-all. Well, I guess you live and you learn, right? Okay. Oh, I can't even. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.